Hey, what's up, traders? I wanted to go over a high-flying stock from yesterday and actually the past couple of months, Tilray, TLRY. If we look at the beginning of January, it was about $9. Yesterday went as high as 45. That's about 350% on the stock. But let's look at what it's done in the past 5 days. So as you can see, it still has a trend up. Yesterday it had a big move up, right? So let's look at actually the daily volume, right? Look at that volume, spiked up, right? So that's usually a great sign that it's going to continue. So 5 days out, the stock was about 30, went up to about 45. That's about a 50% gain in one day. Now, if we look at some out of the money options, let's look at the 39 call. Expires this Friday. If you would have got it uh, 2 days ago, you could have paid about, say, $20 to $30. Yesterday it went as high as about $8.50. So from 35, let's say, it's around $8.50 is 2,300% on your money, or 23 times your money. But let's say if you wanted to get in yesterday because you saw the big volume coming in, you could have got in right about there. That's the open, about 135. Let's say you didn't catch the top, but you caught about 800, 825. That's still about 515% or 5 times your money. So that's the play of the day yesterday. And if the volume continues, it'll keep going. Yesterday I had a video on Riot from the day before, and yesterday it ran up again. So that option went up another 300%. Anyway, good luck, traders, and see you tomorrow.